Guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. I'm your co-host Nida Sheikh with a tutorial on Elementor. Elementor is the leading website building platform for WordPress. It enables web creators to build professional pixel-perfect websites. The best thing in using Elementor is you have control on every single piece of your website. The topic today I'll be discussing in this video is how to add text on image and video in Elementor. Let's not waste time and jump into the screen of Elementor, which I've already logged in. I added a new page in it. First of all, we'll add text on the image. For this purpose, we have to choose from the left side this icon. You get all these options. First, we'll drag a heading section. The heading section is inserted. Again, choose that icon and drag an image. The image is inserted. Now you can choose the image from you can upload the file, choose it from media library, or you can choose a free image. Click insert media. The image is inserted. Now type the text, whatever text you want. For example, I want to add digital media agency on this image. Now to get this text on this image, first of all we'll choose the image, go to the advanced section of image. You get all these options. Now you have to choose margin and link the value of margin together. The margin is linked. Now we lower the value of margin and the text is not visible anymore. To get the text visible, click anywhere on the screen and choose navigate. Navigator options open now. Now we'll choose heading. Go to the advanced section of heading and change the value of Z index to 9. See, the text is visible now. You can also change the position from default to absolute so that you can place the text anywhere you want on the image. See, the text is movable now. Okay, now I'll quickly show you guys how to add text on video as well. Again, click that icon. You get all these options. Now drag heading section first. Again, click the icon and drag a video. You can choose the video, whichever video you want. Either it could be a YouTube video or your personal videos. Now choose the video, go to the advanced section of video and link the value of margin together for video as well. Now the text is not visible anymore. To get the text visible, we have to choose navigator. Now we'll choose navigator. We can also choose navigator from the left below. There's an option for navigator as well. Choose heading. Go to the advanced section of heading and change the value of Z index for heading to 9. The text is visible now. Now I'll just change the color of the text so that you guys can see it even more clearly. See, the text is visible. Okay, there's also another way to add text on the image. I'll also show that way as well. First of all, click the plus sign on the screen, choose a structure, go to style and choose background type classic. Now choose the image you want to be inserted on the screen. For example, the image is inserted. If you want a single image, you can change this repeat to no repeat to get a single image. Now you can also select the position, for example center. It's perfect. Now you can see the image is not complete. To get a complete image, go to the advanced section and increase the value of padding. The value is increasing, the image is getting bigger. Now you guys can see that the image is visible. Now we'll choose the icon and drag a heading section. Now you can type again. Okay, so the image is inserted, the text is inserted on the image now. Now again, you can change the position absolute so that you can place the text anywhere you want on the image. I hope you guys like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.